Our next keynote presenter is Professor Yingai Jin, and she is from the College of Automotive Engineering. College of Automotive Engineering of Jilin University. Professor Yingai Jin is also a doctoral supervisor of the College of Automotive Engineering, and she studied at Dalian University of Technology and Jilin University. She did her bachelor's from Dalian University, master's and PhD from Jilin University, and she completed her PhD in power engineering and also thermal systems. And she, after her graduation, she also worked in the power plant, of course, looking after the thermal aspect of the power plant. She joined Jilin University in 1996. She worked as a senior research fellow at the University of Waterloo, Canada, 2018. Her research covers a wide range of areas of energy utilization. She received first prize national teaching achievement from the National Education Ministry in 2001 and over 10 provincial teaching achievements award. Professor Yingai Jin has carried out a UK-China Industry Partnership Program, Newton Fund it's called, from the Royal Academy of Engineering UK and other national enterprise cooperation projects. She has 125 publications, including journal articles and peer-reviewed conference papers, and most importantly, she has 20 patents. So with this note, we welcome Professor Jin. Please, you come in, and she will be talking the advances and prospects of thermal management technology for electric vehicles. And you know, electric vehicles is a very fast rising vehicle system in the world now. And in China particularly, there is a lot of vehicles in this area, and in Australia also is picking up. Last year, a lot of vehicles were sold in Australia and other countries of the world. So it is a very relevant topic, and we will be hearing patiently from Professor Jin. Thank you, Professor.
Good morning. Thank you, Professor Firzalam, for the introduction. And I'm Yingai Jin from Jilin University. I want to talk about advances and prospects of thermal management technologies for electric vehicles. Jilin University is in northern eastern area of China. Now it's winter. The air temperature is minus 20. Yes, very, very cold. Jilin University has 8 campuses. In 2000, 6 universities merged to one university. So Jilin University is the largest university in China. We have 63,000 students. I'm going to talk about thermal management technology for batteries and vehicle heat pump air conditioning technology, motor thermal management technology, cooling technology of vehicle scale power devices, and integrated thermal management technology for vehicle. First, I'm going to talk about thermal management technology for batteries. At first, air cooling is used for battery cooling. For example, natural air cooling and forced air cooling, and also serial and parallel cooling. But air cooling, there's the heat transfer coefficient is low, we know. Then there's liquid cooling. Liquid cooling, we have contact cooling and non-contact cooling. For example, Maho, they use contact cooling, and the Tesla battery pack, they use liquid-cooled heat transfer structure. And we can use refrigerant directly used for cooling, refrigerant. For example, BMW i3 and BYD Dolphin. BYD is a Chinese brand. And the picture on the right corner, that's in our Jilin University. That's our lab. And also we can use heat pipe and phase change materials for battery cooling. We can use heat pipe and PCM, use them together. For example, the University of Nottingham, they did research in collaboration with FEW R&D. This is a company in Changchun. It's a Chinese company. They tested the cooling effect of heat pipes for batteries. We can also use hybrid cooling. For example, liquid cooling combined with PCM, or thermoelectric cooling combined with PCM, or PCM heat pipe air cooling combination. During winter time, the electric vehicle, the battery need to be heated, and we can use external heating, for example, PTC heating, or membrane heating, or motor heating, or heat pump heating. We can also use internal heating, for example, charge heating, or liquid circulation heating, or AC excitation heating. Next, I'm going to talk about vehicle heat pump air conditioning technology. These are key technology of heat pump air conditioning. We should use environmentally friendly refrigerants, for example, carbon dioxide, R290 or R1234YF. And the core components are electric compressor and the four-way directional valves, electronic expansion valve, heat exchangers, energy conversion and consumption reduction, including pressure rise, waste heat recovery, and tandem heat pumps. Also, other functions, for example, defrosting, dehumidify, and the battery thermal management. We can use Autodesk makeup gas enthalpy boosting low temperature heat pump system. And this is a patent from Tesla. They has a 8-way reversing valve mode switching patent. For motor thermal management technology, we can use air cooling system. For motor cooling method, we can use air cooling or liquid cooling, or enhanced heat sink with additional thermal pads. Motor cooling methods, including water cooling. Water cooling effect is not very good, and we can use water cooling and potting compound. Also, we can use oil cooling. For example, Tesla, Toyota, Honda, General Motors, and so on, they use oil cooling. General Motor Volt, they use toroidal oil injection cooling. And Toyota P70, they use single pipe oil injection cooling. And Honda IMMD, they use dual pipe oil injection cooling. And the Tesla Model 3 use cooling of oil passages by oil drenching. And Tesla also they use oil dumping cooling. And the cooling technology of vehicle scale power devices. Conventional single-sided water cooling technology. This is the conventional one. And now they use double-sided water cooling system. For example, Delphi Viper, Toyota Prius, and so on. Now, thermal management system integrated to a integration system. First generation thermal management system, they work separately. And the second generation, integrated air conditioner battery thermal management. And third generation is non-heat pump integrated thermal management for the whole vehicle. Nowadays, they use heat pump integrated thermal management for the whole vehicle. This is integrated thermal management technology system for Tesla. This is my researching group. That's all. Thank you.
So thank you, Professor Jin. An overview of thermal cooling system for electric vehicles. As you know, it is very important. This area, cooling is an important part. So we'll come to the question and answer session at the end of this our keynote session. So I want to give a little certificate to Professor Jin.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.